Today I want to speak about medical marijuana. It's a hugely important subject. For many years I've been telling people that it is one of God's greatest gifts to us, at least to us in terms of medicine. Medical marijuana, or marijuana in general, has enormous political ramifications and shows it's a mirror, gives us a mirror on how cruel and evil we can be. Marijuana is something totally natural. Pharmaceutical companies try to copy it. Now they're using it in a new product, a new drug. But until now, there's been synthetic forms which never can stand up to a natural form. Marijuana is incredibly helpful. It is a drug, but it's between a drug and an herb, a plant. It is a plant, but it has drug-like effects. Not all of them good, but you're talking about, in terms of good versus downside, 95% good and maybe 5% down. Yes, it is addictive in a mild sense, for some personalities more than others. But all medicine, in terms of Western medicine, pharmaceuticals, have side effects. And they're much more dangerous than marijuana. Officially, marijuana has not been responsible for any deaths. None. Whether that's an accurate thing or not, generally that is accepted as truth. You cannot say that even about aspirin. All the forms of aspirin probably kill 15,000 to 20,000 Americans a year. So considering 0 to, even for something you can buy over the counter, like aspirin, you can't compare. It's a safe, basically safe. Useful? I'm a proponent of natural medicine. I've created a pathway called natural allopathic medicine. I have left everything that is toxic outside the protocol, including aspirin. You know, with aspirin, it's an anti-inflammatory. So is magnesium. Magnesium doesn't kill anybody. Marijuana is like that. Can be used many different ways. Using medical marijuana does not necessarily mean getting high. You can eat marijuana raw as a food. It is a food. It's a plant food. You can make smoothies with it. And when you're eating it, using it natural, is not burnt, it's not THC, it's THCA. It's a different form of THC. And it does not get you high. You can use CBD, does not get you high. It's very good for epilepsy and other neurological disorders. Of course, you can smoke it, but that's not really a medicine unless you're using it you're having chemotherapy and you're getting nausea and side effects. Smoking marijuana would be indicated because it goes right to the stomach, calms the stomach down. So when it comes to cancer, you can have it in the form of oil, CBD, different marijuana creams to put on the skin. Marijuana is a very good product.
So can you repeat the last sentence?
What did I say?
The marijuana is a very good product.
Marijuana is an incredible substance. There's no way around that. You can be against it, but you're being against God. It's something that comes from God. It doesn't come from man. It doesn't come from a pharmaceutical company. It grows naturally. It's inexpensive. If it was legal everywhere and everybody could grow it, it would cost nothing or pennies. So it should not be overlooked. Should not be overlooked in terms of being included in the protocol for cancer or just about anything else. It's a helpmate. It helps. And hurts, well, with long use, years and decades, sure. It has a drying effect, a heating effect, especially on the liver. But you have to really abuse it for a long period of time.